got some problems. Losing air pressure pretty quickly. Got a hissing from the red trailer emergency brake. And wouldn't you know, yeah, the diaphragm inside the parking brake side of my front brake chamber decided to go out on me. So we're gonna have to, I'll show you how to take out this little bolt right here, put it in here, and you can unlock it, and then you gotta get the line to vice grip it or something to keep it from leaking all your air out so you can get going and get it fixed. All right, fun times. There is a washer and a nut you're gonna wanna take off of this, and then this is the tool. Push it out the other side, pull it out, and you're gonna need to get this, put your nut back on the washer nut on the outside, and this little guy right here will go inside of here, turn to the right, and once it locks in, you can keep spinning it and tightening it, and it'll release your parking brake so you can get going down the road. So I'm gonna get that going, and I'll show you in a second. So you're gonna fish this thing straight down the middle and get it locked into place, turn it to the right, tighten up your washer and your bolt, and then tighten it down. It'll release your parking brake, and then you're gonna have to replace this whole thing. You can just take it apart and replace one part, but if you're gonna do it, might as well do the whole thing. So that'll be our project for tomorrow. But getting you on the road, take this bolt out, put it in here, tighten it up, it'll release it so you can get going and not burn a tire. All right, guys. God bless. Stay safe out there. Yeah, so we had the trailer brake lock up. The parking brake side, there's two parts of it. The side that faces the back of the trailer is the actual pushing of the brake pedal part of the chamber, and the front side is the parking brakes. It's set when you pull your emergency valve inside. And the emergency valve was actually leaking. They could hear it, so I knew something was wrong. And when I was sliding my tandem just now picking this up, it wouldn't really give me enough air pressure to pull out the pin to pull out the locks on my tandem. So I knew something was wrong, and I could hear it hissing, and I checked it, and there's a diaphragm in there. It goes old over time, and it'll leak on you. So that's what happened. So as I showed you earlier, how to release that one chamber just to get you going on the road to get to the shop. And then I thought I had some vice grips, but I actually had my toolbox stolen randomly. And I had a bunch of those needle nose ones, which are the ones you really want, but they had some here at the good old QT in Jefferson, Georgia, off 85. So I'm gonna take these and clamp down that backside line, airline, so that I'm not losing air, and I can get down to probably go to Truck Pro and pick up a whole new chamber front and back. You can repair them, just one side of them, take the clamps off them, but might as well just do the whole thing and cut it off to the right size and put this back to the slack adjuster and make it all a brand new piece. So if I have time, I might just do all four of them, but I don't know if I'll be that giddy to do it all. But I'm gonna get this on the line, get back in the road, and that's just one more thing to put in your arsenal on how to fix something if something's breaking. If your brakes are locking up or you're losing air pressure to your trailer a lot, that could be your problem. And that little bolt comes out to release it. So if you didn't know that, now you do. God bless, and let's keep on going. Let's have a good week. So with the vice grip on there, bolt in there, problem solved. No more air leak. But we got to get that replaced now. At least that'll get you on the road.